Guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the surface tire pressure indicator of a Toyota Pro Ace City. This one is a 2022 model, slightly different than the other Pro Aces, and I had to search for myself for about 15 minutes and just found it, and I wanted to share it with you. Before it starts, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Just Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 600 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, we have the multimedia area over here. We're going to use this one. Press menu, go to personalization configuration, press OK. Then go to define the vehicle parameters. We're gonna go to security, press OK, and after having the indicator or the tires pumped up, you need to press the OK button, confirm with another OK, and you'll see that the indicator over here for the tire pressure will disappear. This is a Pro Ace 2022 Pro Ace City, and this was a video on how to reset the tire pressure indicator. I hope it helped, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.